Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert underscore lines same length in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page, then go to the tools section and select the shapes drop down menu and select the rectangle tool. Then draw a rectangle to this page. Now we can see we insert a underscore line. You can increase or decrease the size. Now we want to make the line multiple, click right button to this mouse and copy the line, then paste in front, then move in down, then again paste the line and move it down. Now we can see we make some underscore line, but all line is same length. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.